This is HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So, to begin with, you will need to enter the apps category at the taskbar and open the pre-installed HUAWEI browser over here. Next, you want to open the Google search engine, though you could pretty much use any other search service, but I prefer to use Google for obvious reasons. Then at the search bar, type in Opera APK or Opera APK Android query, and among the search results, look for the website that will provide you with an APK installer file for an Android. I'll go with, let's say, Softsonic. At the following page, tap at the free download button, then free APK download. Wait for the file to get downloaded and installed. You can confirm it by tapping over here. Then open the downloads list by tapping at this 4 dots to your top right and going into download section. In here, automatically the further installation will proceed. If not, just tap at the file that you have downloaded. In here, allow HUAWEI browser to install other apps. Grant this permission. Then install. After that, you can just go ahead and launch the Opera. In here, tap at the continue button and grant all the permissions that the Opera browser is asking for. And from here, as you can see, you can start it in the browser and you'll have it among the list of installed apps on your ebook over here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.